Hi students, in this video discuss about an introduction of DBMS. In this video discuss about in what are the basic terms of database management system, data and informations, what about database, what in data DBMS, and definitions are characteristics and advantages and disadvantages and components, then architectures. Introduction. In the computerized information system, data is the basic resources of organizations. The amount of data or information available as the exactly exploding and to handle the large and complex data set, a tool is needed. So the proper organization and management for the data is required for organizations run smoothly. Database management system deals the knowledge of how the data stored and managed on computerized information system. It also referred as the software to assess the maintaining and utilizing the large collection of data. It is the repository or container for the collection of computerized data files. Next, database. Database can be defined as organized collection of logically unrelated data. Database have any size of complexity. Data can structured so as the easily stored and manipulated and retrieved by the user. For the example database, university database, this for student, course, section, grade, instructor or the table of the university database. Database management system is a software for storing and retrieving the user data while considering the appropriate security measures. It consists of group of programs which manipulated the storage database. The database DBMS accept requests for data and application interact with the operating system to provide the specific data. The large system, a DBMS helps to user and the third party software store and retrieve the data. DBMS allows user can create the own database as their requirement. The term DBMS include the user of the database and other applications. It provides the interface between data and the software application. Here some example of popular DBMS these are used in nowadays. MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, IBM DB2, PostgreSQL, Amazon Simple DB, or this is for cloud and etc. Objectives of DBMS. Objectives of first one is data availability. Data availability means the main objective of the DBMS. It is the process of ensuring the data and available to end user and application in understanding format. Data integrity, it refers the accuracy and consistency of data. In other words, keeping the data intact and unmodified throughout this life cycle is referred as the data integrity. Data security, it refers only authorized user can able to access the database. When the several user accessing the particular data at the same, the DBMS does not allow them make the conflicting changes. It protected with password facilities. Data independence, the three levels of schema should be independent of each other to the changes at one level should not affect of the other levels. It keeps the data separated from all programs that make it user. Characteristics of DBMS. It uses the digital repository established on the server to store and manage the informations. It can provide the clear and logical view of process and manipulate the data. DBMS contains automatic backup and recovery procedures. It contains acid, atomicity, consistency, isolations, and durability properties which maintain the data in healthy state in case of failure. It can reduce the complex relationship between the data. It provides security and remove the redundancy. It can view the data based from different viewpoints according to the requirements of user. DBMS supports multi-user environment that allow the user to access the manipulate in parallel. Advantages of DBMS. It can control the data redundancy. It stores all the data in single data file and that record into the place of the database. In DBMS, authorized user, the organization can share the more data among the multiple users. It can easily maintainable due to the centralized nature of the database. It reduces development time and maintenance needed. It provides the recovery subsystem which create automatic backup of data, the hardware and software failures and restore the data is needed. It provides different types of user interface like graphical user interface and program interface. Disadvantages. It requires high speed of data processor and large memory size of the DBMS software. It occupies the large space and the disk the large memory then run efficiently. Database system create additionally complexity and requirement.